Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a wrench as part of my Father's Day set. So I've got a wrench-shaped cookie here, and I'm outlining it with a number 2 tip, and I'm using a piping consistency silver color here. This is like a light gray color. And I'm outlining the entire thing, and I'm going to be filling it in with a flooding consistency of the same color that I have here in a squeeze bottle, and I'll use my scribe tool to even everything out and get rid of any air bubbles. Now, the reason why I use light gray is that I'm actually going to be going over it with some silver luster dust when it's dry, and I always complement the background color with the luster dust that I'm going to be using. So with a gold luster dust, I'd use like a golden yellow, and for a silver luster dust, I'd use a light gray background. And this just means that you're going to use a lot less luster dust than you would if you had like a white background or anything like that. And I've let this completely dry, and I'm doing some of the details. So I'm using the same color and consistency that I used to outline it in the first place, and now I've got it fitted with a number 1 tip, and I'm just outlining the ends of the wrench and then the middle as well, and I'm going to add a little tiny bit of detail in the middle, but aside from that, wrenches are pretty detailless. And I'm going to let that dry, and I have some silver luster dust here that I've mixed with a touch of vodka. I'm just going to give it a nice thin layer over the top. You don't have to pay too much attention about getting it into the nooks and crannies, because I am kind of going for a worn look. And to make them look a bit more further used, I'm going to give them a bit of an oil splatter. This is a touch of black gel dye that I've mixed with a bunch of vodka, and you can see that it's not a very concentrated color. That's because I did use quite a bit of vodka. I just want a wash of color, that's all I need, and I'm smudging it around with some paper towel to get off all of the dark bits and kind of just leave it nice and smudged. And this looks a lot more like oil and makes them look a lot more worn than just shiny and new. You could also totally avoid this step if you're looking for something that's more shiny and not very used. So you can see that my wrench is part of a Father's Day set. You can see the rest of them in my video library. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!